Somewhere past the burning dawn, the old world keeps holding on. I walk through the ruins slow, carrying ghosts nobody knows. Every scar another name, every loss still leaves a flame. The sky looked black and gold that night, like heaven trying hard to fight. And all the kings we used to know turn into dust beneath the smoke. Still the drums roll on, still the fire breathes, still my heart keeps dragging home through the wreckage underneath. If this is the end of the world, let the horns cry loud tonight. Let the thunder shake the earth, let the broken learn to rise. Raised where the shadows run, still we carry dying stars, waiting for the morning sun. Children singing through the rain, old saints whispering my name. Every mile another walk, still I'm reaching for something more. And the rivers turn to black, no road left to walk. Somewhere deep beneath the fear, I still hear your voice out here. Hold the light, hold the flame, even stars still break the same. Through the fire, through the flood, we become what we survive. Oh, if this is the end of the world, we'll stand like legends in the rain. Heart still beating through the dark, carrying love through all the pain. Let the heavens open wide, let the last sunrise begin. Even at the edge of time, we will rise again. Ashes falling slow tonight, somewhere far beyond the smoke, the light survives.